That's what some 40s would look like on there. I'm on a 6-inch lift. I think I'd have to go like at least 8.
Hey, a Sawzall and some determination will get you, you know.
You talking about cutting it up, chopping it up? Man, those 40s make my 33s look like little donuts, little spare tires. What's up? It's your boy, Big Mace for She's back out in this thing, baby. And I'm out here in Marysville, Washington, coming to visit my partner, and he's part of the Jeep and Junkies 4x4 crew. Let me just show you real quick some of the rigs they got. Yeah, they got some really built big dogs out here, you know, trying to be like them. So that's one of them, side chick. Come down here. You know, this one I could probably hang with. But then you guys gotta check out this beast. Goals right here. I mean, he on 40s. I only want 37s, but yeah, man. And just caught him off of making the fresh bumper. Don't touch it, it's still hot. So it's extra fresh. But yeah. How long have you had this one?
Since January.
Woo! Since January.
2 days owning it. Pulled it in the garage, ripped the axles out, sold them, and started doing tons.
Oh man, see, he know what he's doing. I'm trying to be like him. Very nice. So yeah, we out here. He about to help me with this initial issue I've been having with the rear driver's side shock mount. The factory nut cracked, and so, well, not the nut itself, but around the nut. So he's gonna help me weld that back together and probably go ahead and get rid of the rough country brackets on there. So let me back this thing in and I'll show you and we'll get to it. But now we're in the garage, standing next to some big old 40s in here. Whew. Got the Comanche, love that. He said that's going on 44s in the front and 9-bolt in the rear. And these bad boys, yeah buddy. So herein lies my issue. If you guys can see, it is cracked all the way around. Let me get a close up. It might be too close, but that's what we're here to work on today. Pray for me. Woo, we got a stubborn bolt. PB blast. All right, let's give it a whirl.
One of it's bent.
Okay. Breaker bar. Shoot, man. So you guys see what we had to resort to. Bandsaw. Taking that nut off. Shoo! Yep, here's a goner. But we got some Clayton Offroad shock mounts that we're gonna install, which will be a lot beefier. You can tell, like, the sidewall.
Oh yeah.
It's so much thicker than that right there. So oh yeah.
Cool.
Beef. It's what's for the Jeep. Well, after the blade change, because of that yonder, we're about to mount some new brackets. Say that again.
What? Clean this up and what? Get some fat welds on it?
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you got the little bit of lip in there. Yeah.
And then I'll put some steel on the sides to help keep
Gusset it.
Yep.
Keep from it hanging down.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks like a plan.
You work with what you got, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, that looks good. Heck yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Let's get it.
Let go. Yep, I gotta learn how to weld. That is dope. One of these days, you know, I'm gonna have to come back over here and get some much needed lessons, for sure. How we looking? Let's see.
Getting there.
Ooh, very nice. Me like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, driver's side. In there like swimwear, baby. Let me see if I can get this camera. Oh yeah. That's him right there. That's him. Thicker metal, stronger mount. We got rid of the rough country mount. Oh yeah, we're ready now. We're ready now, boys and girls. We're gonna do the same thing to the passenger side, you know, be symmetrical. So, last time you'll see the rough country shock mounts. Ah, yeah, great job. Yeah. Oh man, little baby tires. My tires look big until they get up next to some big boys. Yeah, if only it was that easy on the other side. But no, this is awesome that you were able to fabricate that. Titanium. That's where the magic is coming from. All right, will it line up, ladies and gentlemen?
It should.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, it's good to know the shocks still work.
Yeah. Now it's just fitting it in here.
Getting it in. Alright, where it's supposed to go.
Oh shit.
Alright, third time's the charm. We got this.
Okay, it's cool. Alright. No.
So you want me to try to get the bolt while you hold that?
If, maybe. Might work, yeah.
Alright, I'm going in. Clearance.
Bam.
Boom. They in there. Look at that beef. Thick welds, thicker metal. We should be straight. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Job well done. Big shout out to my guy AJ and his dad for hosting, helping. And again, this is the epitome of why I love the off-road community. Everybody's just super cool, down to help, and you know, give advice and make sure everybody's on the road safe and sound. But again, let me show you guys just a recap. New shock mounts by Clayton Offroad. Went ahead and fabricated those in there. So now we should be good to go. I can't wait to get on the road and test drive and have some stability back on the road. All right, guys, we have finished today's project, getting those rear shock mounts fabricated and fixed. I can't wait to drive this thing. Again, shout out to Andrew and his dad for letting me come through and helping me out. If you guys want to check him out, he's on TikTok with the Jeepin' Junkies 4x4. Is it just TikTok or you got anything else?
Oh, Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. So check him out. Great work. Awesome builds. If you guys are in the Washington area, you know, hit us up. Let us know, because I might start wheeling with these guys. You know what I mean? Get my weight up and take this WJ out and show them what it can do. Represent for the Grand Cherokees. Other than that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Fuelnominal, and on Facebook at Fuelnominal OYR. And again, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned, because I got a lot more coming. Some surprises in the next video or two. And so yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Again, much love, appreciation. Y'all be safe out there, and y'all already know what to do. Be easy. Woo! Still warm out here. It's nice and smoky too. He said Spokane's on fire. I guess Tacoma got something going on. Canada. We've been going all summer, and then boom.
So he wants to video it. Okay.
I'm gonna turn my head though, obviously.
Coming together. Don't mind me.
Danny
You
can
gonna
fix
fix
it.
it?
You got it, huh? You gonna fist bump? Boom! One
Your
more.
knuckles?
Huh, there it is.